try.
YouTube, before I get out of here, I got something to show y'all. But I can't show y'all. Hold on. So I can't really show y'all this, but the blade, I gotta show y'all the blade. This new blade is pretty dope, and I'm using, I can't really show, hold on. I'm using this right here, the Instincts, on this cut. All right, make sure you guys yeah, but I had the blade, and then until I switched it, I had these blades on there when I was cutting. So yeah, can't really show you guys, but yeah, man, it's crazy how I'm like avoiding showing you guys. But yeah, these is clean. I'm still using the Instincts. Instincts is still the clipper. Just because they blew up, just because one of them blew up, doesn't mean that, okay, everybody needs to start running around and start using other clippers, okay? These are still the ones, okay? These are still the ones. Now, I ain't gonna lie, when it did blow up, I was kind of scared using it on my clients. I was kind of scared, but at the end of the day, man, that's just one person. Well, Arlen, how many was, oh, what, are you serious?
You weren't even recording.
This whole time I was, oh yeah, I was. Arlen.
What's up?
How out of one out of a scale of 100 to 2023, how scared were you when the Instincts blew up after using them? The thing about it is,
wait, they didn't blow up on me.
No, I'm saying like.
Oh, when I saw them online.
When you saw them online, you blew up. What did you think?
I mean, damn, man.
Scared to use them?
Nah, not really. No. I mean, I just wall gang.
Wall does have some good clippers, but I ain't gonna lie, these right here with the black little blade on the black is pretty. I'm feeling these. Ever since they came out with the Zero Guard, I've been using my Masters more now. But in this video, stay tuned, we're using these. We still back on these. Ain't nothing changed. Stylecraft is still doing their thing. Shout out to Stylecraft. I'm out. Oh, somebody said I got the ba-da-ba-ba-bas on. Hold on. They said I got the ba-da-ba-ba-bas on. Jarrell, what do you want? Why how are you feeling about my ba-da-ba-ba-bas?
I feel like you just need to put some white socks on, because now they really look like Iron Man's, but I like the little satin you got going on right here. It kind of like your wave caps that you be wearing, but I ain't feeling that jacket,
You ain't
bro.
feeling the bottom
I'm
five?
not, no, they clean, but I ain't feeling the jacket with it.
Okay. Yeah.
I feel like you need to wear a sweater again.
Hold on. Let me. I ain't even seen without the jacket. You ain't gotta hate though.
I asked you earlier, take it off.
Okay. All right. We got hater alert here. All right.
360 degrees. 360 degrees.
'Alright, YouTube, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is brush the hair down first, lay the hair in place, that way you start off neat and everything is laid in the proper direction. Alright, so now that we have everything laid in place, I'm going to use my instincts to knock down all the bulk that's on the sides. I'm using my 1 guard with the lever fully open. That's basically a 1.5, and I'm going with the grain. Moving on to the taper, I'm gonna start by setting in my bald line using my Babyliss Low Pro trimmers. All right, I'm gonna set it in using my corners, going in a rainbow-like shape. Next, I'm gonna go right on top of that guideline using my Stylecraft instincts with the lever fully open, going up about a ½ inch. Putting on my 1 guard, going on top of the lever open. I'm basically gonna do the same thing, go up about a ½ inch, use my corners and make sure I maintain that shape. So I'm not gonna focus on that bulk at the very top. I'm gonna worry about blending back down, all right? I grab my 0 guard with the lever fully closed, and in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line using my corners. So I noticed that 0 guard didn't take out everything that I wanted to take out. So what I do next is I'll go with the lever open and basically just use my corners as like a thinning shear to thin up those dark areas. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to start below the line, flick to the line, and adjust your lever as you go up. So now that I have everything pretty much blended out, I'm gonna focus on that bulk at the top. Just gonna grab my 1 guard with the lever closed and just kind of knock out those dark areas. And lastly, what you want to do is detail work. All right, detailing is extremely important. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows me a different perspective on the blend than just looking at it head on. All right, also, if you don't have access to a mirror, just rest your eyes for a minute, come back to the blend, use your corners in areas where you see bulk, and basically use your corners as thinning shears to lighten up those dark areas. Also, I have a little tip for you guys that you could do if you want to like get the hair to lay fully down, stretched out to its maximum potential. That way you could detail a little bit better, because I know curly hair can curl up and it seems like, man, the clippers is not getting those areas right. So what you could do is grab a brush and put some mousse. IcedOutProducts.com has a silk mousse, basically, to where, you know, you can put it on your client's hair and lay the hair down way better than what it is, right? So as I continue to brush and blow dry, it's gonna lay a lot better, so that way I could detail a little bit more. Now you can see the hair is truly laid to its maximum potential. It makes it easier for you to detail and get in those dark areas where you see bulk. So a lot of time when I'm filming, you guys get the first person point of view to where I have to basically like stand in an awkward position. So right here, I'm just readjusting my client to where I could see better. And I'm just continuing to detail. Now, as far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps. Steps that you guys need to memorize, all right? This makes the haircut go by a lot quicker. I always start off by using my bald line, then I'll go in with my lever open, then the one guard open, then I'll clear out the bulk that's on top, go back down, zero guard close, knock out that middle line. Then with no guard, with the lever fully closed, knock out that bottom line. And lastly, detail your work. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.